Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. Time to enter the world of civil engineering. Here we will learn about different concepts related to civil engineering. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more new updates. In today's video we are going to discuss about Khalifa, world's tallest building. Structural details of Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. Burj Khalifa. The structure is 828 m tall and the whole system is a reinforced concrete tower structure. Excavation work began for Burj Khalifa in January 2004 and over the ensuing years to its completion, the building passed many important milestones on its goal to become the tallest man-made structure the world has ever seen. In just 1,325 days since excavation work started in January 2004, Burj Khalifa became the tallest freestanding structure in the world. The structure is located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The structural features include 160-plus story tower, podium structure adjacent, have a 6-story office adjacent, a 2-story pool facility near the tower comprises 2,80,000 m2 area. This area is utilized for 700 residential apartments located from 45 to 108 floors. Remaining spaces is till the 160th floor is occupied by the corporate officers. The total project cost is estimated to be $20 billion. The tower construction itself costs $4.2 billion. Construction highlights: over 45,000 cubic meter, 58,900 cubic yard, of concrete, weighing more than 110,000 tons were used to construct the concrete and steel foundation, which features 192 piles buried more than 50 meter, 164 feet, deep. Burj Khalifa's construction will have used 330,000 cubic meter, 431,600 cubic yard, of concrete and 39,000 tons, 43,000 st, 38,000 lt, of steel rebar, and construction will have taken 22 million man-hours. The exterior cladding of Burj Khalifa began in May 2007 and was completed in September 2009. The vast project involved more than 380 skilled engineers and on-site technicians. At the initial stage of installation, the team progressed at the rate of about 20 to 30 panels per day and eventually achieved as many as 175 panels per day. The tower accomplished a world record for the highest installation of an aluminum and glass facade with a height of 512 meters. The total weight of aluminum used on Burj Khalifa is equivalent to that of 5 A380 aircrafts, and the total length of stainless steel bull nose fins is 293 times the height of Eiffel Tower in Paris. In November 2007, the highest reinforced concrete core walls were pumped using 80 MPa concrete from ground level, a vertical height of 601 meters. This smashed the previous pumping record on a building of 470m on Taipei 101, the world's second tallest tower, and the previous world record for vertical pumping of 532 meters for an extension to the Riva del Garda hydroelectric power plant in 1994. The concrete pressure during pumping to this level was nearly 200 billion Argentine pesos. The amount of rebar used for the tower is 31,400 metric tons laid end to end. This would extend over a quarter of the way around the world. Height. The architectural height of Burj Khalifa is 828 meters or 2,717 feet. This is measured to the top of the spire, as its spire is considered an architectural element of the tower. Before 2010, Burj Khalifa's height has long been kept as a secret in order to prevent it from being surpassed by potential competitors. Finally, the owner Emaar claimed the standard height of Burj Khalifa to be 828 meters, with the total height of 829.8 meters to its tip. There's a 1.7 meter small needle atop the top of spire at 828 meters, making it the tallest building in the world in any categories. As of 2019, Burj Khalifa has been holding the crown of world's tallest building for 10 years. It will keep the crown for another 3 to 5 years, until in 2022 or later, when either the Dubai Creek Tower or Jeddah Tower surpasses it. The highest occupied floor is level 154, which is 584m high from ground. For public sightseeing, there are 3 observation decks, respectively on levels 124,125 and 148. The one on level 148 is now the world's highest observation deck at a height of 555 meters. Floor uses. Mixed use. The tower is used in a variety of purposes, respectively are office, residential, hotels, restaurant, observation, communication. The 39th floor or level 39 and floors below are used as hotels or residences by Armani. The floors from level 39 to level 108 are mainly used for residences. Above level 108 to level 154 are office spaces, with the exception of level 124,125 and level 148, which are the 3 separated observation decks for public sightseeing. And there's also a restaurant set at level 122 named Atmosphere. The floors above level 154 to 163 are all mechanical floors. The number of floors is so huge as there are a total of 2,909 stairs from the ground floor to 160th floor. "163 is commonly known as the number of Burj Khalifa's floors, but a 27-17-foot building couldn't have only 163 floors even when the spire is removed, right? That is because the floors above level 163 and below the spire are served as the base structure of spire, which is not habitable and also not for mechanical use, but it occupies 46 floors, hence technically the building has 209 floors. Every year, fireworks show or laser show will take place on Burj Khalifa on New Year's Eve, attracting thousands of people to watch on the scene, and millions watch online in the same time. The last fireworks show was occurred on January 1, 2017. A laser show was shown on New Year's Eve of 2018. Laser shows is also occurred in some other events or festivals. The tower is built on a shamrock-shaped footprint, making the tower seem like a letter Y. From above in the air, this shape derived from Hymenocallis, also known as desert lily, a local plant live in desert. The tower's cross-section area reduces gradually as it rises. Burj Khalifa was developed by Emaar Properties, a renowned local real estate firm that has also developed many other skyscrapers in Dubai, and now they are working on next tallest structure of the world, which temporarily named Dubai Creek Tower. The construction of Burj Khalifa was contracted by Samsung Construction, a subsidiary of Samsung Group. The group is best known for its electronic products, and in respect of construction it had also constructed many famous buildings around the world, including Petronas Towers in Kuala Lumpur and Taipei 101 Tower in Taipei. The construction began in 2004. The building started rising in March 2005. After that, Burj Khalifa grew very fast. Below is how it looked in February 2006. The building had become a 30-floor high-rise building from a Y-shaped base structure in less than 1 year. As of January 2007, the tower had become an imposing super-tall skyscraper that has more than 100 floors built. And 1 month later it became the building with most floors on the earth. The tower surpassed Taipei 101 to become world's tallest building in architectural height by July 2007. In less than a month the tower surpassed Sears Tower's antenna at 527 m, becoming the world's tallest building in any category, unofficially though. In September 2007 the CN Tower was surpassed by Burj Khalifa and lost its title of tallest freestanding structure in the world, not officially again, as Burj Khalifa was still under construction and growing. Although the tower had already become the tallest building and tallest structure in the world, the height of Burj Khalifa was still substantially growing. The tower topped out in January 2009 at its full height of 829.8 meters. This is much higher than the former tallest building Taipei 101. The whole project cost $1.5 billion. The tower itself cost $1 billion. It's not very high for a building with that height. Even many buildings around 300 meters in American cities cost this much. This is more obvious when compared with One World Trade Center in New York City, which cost $3.9 billion. But for buildings in Dubai, this number is far ahead of other super talls, while the majority of Dubai's super tall skyscrapers cost only around $300 million. High-performance concrete used in concrete. The high-performance concrete used in Burj Khalifa guarantee low permeability and higher durability. The M80 and M60 cube strength concrete is used incorporating fly ash, Portland cement, and the local aggregates. IUng's modulus of 43800 N/mm2 is said to be granted by the M80 concrete. The largest concrete pumps in the world were used to pump concrete to height up to 600 m at a single stage. Two numbers of this type of pump was used. As the temperature of the location, Dubai, is very high, there were chance of cracks due to shrinkage. So, the concrete pouring process was carried out at night at a cooler temperature. Ice was added to the concrete mix to facilitate the desired temperature. To withstand the excessive pressure caused due to the building weight, special concrete mixes were employed. Every batch was tested before placing. Foundation of Burj Khalifa. The superstructure of Burj Khalifa is supported over a large reinforced concrete raft. This raft is in turn supported by board-reinforced concrete piles. The raft has a thickness of 3.7 m and was constructed in 4 separate piers. The grade of concrete raft is M50, which was self-consolidating concrete. The concrete volume used in the raft is 12,500 m3. The number of piles used were 194. The piles were 1.5 m in diameter and have a length of 4.3 m. Each pile has a capacity of 3,000 tons. The concrete grade used in piles were M60 self-compacting concrete, which were placed by Treme method. This utilized polymer slurry to carry out the process. To reduce the detrimental effects of chemicals, cathodic protection were provided under the raft. Burj Khalifa Design History. Thank you for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.